Life on mountain valleys are more difficult. They need lot of struggle to live. Today I am going to show you how they make a beautiful land at mountain valley for cultivation of wheat, buckwheat, beans and potato. Let's see all procedure step by step. Thank you. First of all, we remove the fertile soil from the unplaned surface and should use after plane the surface. Digging procedure is started now. During the digging process, we separate the stones and conchers. It is a digging tool. We call it ginty. These are an unfertile soils. The desert and small conchers put in the vehicle we call it radar. The loaded material bring from upper to down side to make the surface plane. Pressing the hollow soils. The technique of separating big stones from the digging area to make the surface plane. It's a little bit hard job because it needs little bit technique and little bit power, just need power and technique too. This is the tool, useful tool to remove stones. This is an old technique but work well for small workers. We need hard work to make the mountain valleys beautiful. Breaking of stone are very technical procedure called martor, and it is 12 kg heavy. These are the secret activities of our physical fitness. Now the broke stones carry at the wall side. It's also a small radar. Like this we carry the stones. Kids are helping the parents. That's great. Tea break at work site. There is 3 types of tea in the thermos, and they have a mountain cake. Let's enjoy with the cake. Leveling process. All corner should be in level. So this is the procedure to make it plain. Construction of wall is one of the most important process. We use big stones for the wall. Kids are busy in their work. They are enjoying by working, but they are totally using their own mind. It is fruitful for them to learn anything else. Using their own technique and power. One is pulling, yeah, it's good. but they see the stones is throwing out. Oh, that's a great job. The second wall construction procedure. We need a great effort to make the mountain valleys beautiful. These are the process by which we are making beautiful the mountain valleys. Amazing view of Mashabu mountain. It's great. Now we start the final step, the fertile soil for irrigation cultivation purpose. It's bad weather. Tomorrow maybe snowfall. Oh, today's snowfall. It's make our work hard, but there is little bit work. We have to complete the one period. We had completed it in 20 days. Now we are enjoy and we are happy. Thanks God, we done it. Today the temperature is -15, so it's very cold. We have to go at home. We come from home after sunrise and go at home before sunset. It is our normal routine. Today it's our final day at work site. Kids are busy. These type of activities make them climber in future, inshallah. Thanks for your precious time. If you have any suggestion to make the videos more beautiful, please let me know. Thanks for your subscribed my channel for more interesting videos.